Hey, it's Nosy Joe here. Long time no see. Doing a little video here on my new GoPro 9 and some upgrades I've done to my bike. I'm not very good at these unboxing videos because honestly I'm already using my GoPro 9 and so there's not really much to talk about here. This is the box that it came in and this is how it was packaged. It's pretty cool, huh? Now, I did get this I kind of got a kit from GoPro for their Black Friday sale, and I got a SD card, and I guess I'll show it to you here. And the media mod came with the microphone stuff and some mounting stuff and everything you need here. A little clamp, extra battery, that's the main thing, and a subscription that I didn't necessarily want for 50 bucks. $300 camera, $50 subscription. This is the box that came in. That's about enough on that. Let's go to the barn. Hey, how you guys doing? Nosy Joe here, out in my barn, playing with my new GoPro 9. About ready to take it out on the bike. Normally I kind of cheat when I'm doing these selfie videos and use my phone, but this GoPro 9 is kind of neat. It's got an image on the front of the camera so I can see what I'm doing. So I feel like it's a little bit more usable as a selfie camera. Not that I'm into selfies too much. Since we talked last time, I've done a couple upgrades on the bike. If you notice, the wheels are different. I took it in for the 11K service and it needed new tires. And I hated to invest in brand new tires for some wheels I didn't care about that much. So I was able to find these Street Glide wheels that a guy had painted black, or powder coated black rather. And it's actually a 19-inch front. So a little bit taller wheel, a little more low profile, and I'm liking that. Good handling, and of course I got the matching wheel there in the back. So anyway, it's a 45-degree day here in December. Just got my GoPro 9 charged up for the first time, and I'm going to check and see how it does. So far, I'm really liking it. It wasn't too bad of a deal. I'll kind of talk about that for a second. I got it over the Black Friday, Cyber Monday type sale. And what that basically got you, the camera was $299. It came in a little package that got me an extra battery and the SD card, a couple of things like this stick I'm holding the camera with. So that was good. And then it was like $50 for the subscription. So it was like $349 for everything. Now that subscription, I don't know if I need that or not. But anyway, you buy a subscription, so it's 50 bucks. So like for $350, you get a brand new camera. You get this annual subscription. The subscription supposedly saves you on things. In fact, when I bought my media mod, it was, I don't know, 20% off. So I think I saved as much money by buying the subscription as the subscription cost. I know that's probably a way to hook you, but so far so good, and I'm liking it. And so let's go see how it does on the bike here. Okay, let's see how this does. I've had this camera for a couple of 3 weeks now, and just haven't had time to mess with it. If you guys watched my brood video that brood got screwed, that was kind of my last day trying to use the 4. The battery they just don't last after they're so old, and I hated to buy batteries for something that was out of date. So that was kind of it for the 4. And I've been watching, a lot of the well-known YouTubers are still using 7s, and the 8s have been problematic. From what I can tell, I've seen at least a couple guys have audio issues with their media mods. So I just wasn't too crazy about the 8. And what sold me on the 9, honestly, is you weren't really giving up anything. The physical design, I don't know. I've never had an 8 in my hand. I don't think it's a lot different. But one cool thing about it is how it mounts. The mounting mechanism is built into the camera, so you know, if you think about older GoPros, you have to put it in a case that has the mount on it. So that's a little bit better, and that peeks through a hole in the media mod, so the media mod doesn't affect that in any way. And another thing I liked about it, and maybe you could do this with the 8, I'm not sure, but it's got the ability to become a webcam. And especially as the winter months come in, you know, if I want to do some of my videos on the computer, you know, maybe kind of responding to or talking about videos I've seen, I thought that would be handy because I don't own a good webcam, and I looked into them and they're about $200. So by spending 50 extra bucks for the 9 over the 8, let's say, you know, I save having to buy a webcam. So, and that's all through USB. You just hook up USB to the GoPro 9. You have to download a software to your computer, which you can go on YouTube and see all how guys are doing that, and then just recognizes the output of the GoPro as your webcam. So it should be a good quality camera for that, I would think. So looking forward to checking that out. That'll be my next little project. Okay, this is called Spindletop. Some type of a UK alumni deal, which I'm not a part of, but not a UK graduate. But I thought it'd be a kind of a cool, quick destination as I check out the GoPro. Didn't want to film too much and find out my audio wasn't working or something like that. Is this formerly somebody's house, I think. I don't know. I don't know the whole story on Spindletop Hall. I'm not sure where all I can drive either. A nice park. People dining outside for the governor's orders. Whoever lived here had a nice garage. I don't think a lot of bikers hang out there. Members only. Didn't you read the sign? Can't you see the sign? I don't know if you guys follow any other motovloggers. I do. I follow several of them. I know if you're watching me, you've already heard of Her Two Wheels. She's up in Columbus, Ohio. Ohio. That's about 3 hours away from here. We're keeping up with, she just got a new Triumph. Pretty cool. Of course, I've mentioned Flinch before. He's up in just across the river in Indiana. Practically Kentucky, but still Indiana. He's been having troubles with his GoPro 8. There's old, I don't know, 66 Chevy truck, maybe? I started watching a new gal out of New York, upstate New York, called Motovlogging. They're giving away I think it's a Sportster. They're doing some type of build on it. They're going to give it away for benefit veterans. She's done some really good how-to videos lately. Another guy I've been watching is Shovelhead Fedge. He's out of Florida. Seems like a lot of these guys are out of Florida. Recommend giving him a watch. Kind of artistic shot videos. Another one I watch is out of Australia. His name's Moto Barista. I think I don't know if he runs a coffee shop, but he actually was injured on his adventure bike. He had a KTM. He's got a Harley and he's got a KTM. I think that's right. He hurt himself on the KTM, so he hasn't been riding, but he's been trying to keep up with everybody as he heals up. I like his videos. $1 Million Bogan, who I kind of made fun of as far as not making any more videos or saying he wasn't. As far as I know, he hasn't really. So he has been on a hiatus. I do like watching his videos. I hope this video quality turned out good. So we're gonna find out. My phone stopped being connected to it, so I couldn't really see what was going on. With that, everybody have a good one and stay safe out there. Later.